Okay, let's try one more example. In this example, we have the town of Goodland, Kansas, and they claim to have one of the world's largest easels. It's an enlargement of Van Gogh painting, and it is 36 feet wide. Now the original, on the other hand, the original painting is 62 centimeters wide and 84 centimeters tall. The reproduction is similar to the original, which means we can use ratios to compare them. What is the height of the reproduction to the nearest foot? So let's begin by setting up a ratio. Okay, now in our ratios, remember we want to make sure we set them up all the same. So let's put the original over the reproduction. Okay, so let's take what we know. We know the width of both of them. What was the width of the original? So let's look. The original was 62 centimeters wide. And what was the width of the reproduction? It said the width of the reproduction was 36 feet wide. Let's set that equal to the heights of each of them, their ratio. So on top, remember, we're supposed to have the original. So the original height was 84 centimeters. The height of the reproduction is, well, we don't know. That's what they're asking us, so we call that x. We now have a proportion. We go ahead and solve it by cross multiplying. We cross multiply. Remember, you leave the equal sign in the middle, your multiplication on each side. So we have 62x is equal to 36 times 84. Go ahead and multiply that, 36 times 84. That gives us 3,024. And over here on the other side, we still have our 62x. We want to solve that, so we would divide both sides by 62 so that we can find our x. And we get 48.77. They wanted us to round to the nearest foot. 48.77 would round up to 49 feet.